Hello folks, it's Jaron Adria. I'm walking. This is the Marine Corps Air Station main gate. Now I'm walking to the Iwakuni downtown area. This is Four Corners they call. So we'll be walking straight ahead. So I'm gonna just take it by pieces. Not, I don't want to take the whole video. So to give you an idea. So see guys, I'm getting another part. See you guys up there, up the road. See you guys up there. Folks, I remember this cemetery when I used to walk to Iwakuni Station. Same place, cemetery, same spot. Never changed. Right side of this road here. Just going toward the train station. Same cemetery. Well, I'll see you down the road, folks. See you down the road. Folks, I'm here just a little bit down the road here, and look at this view, beautiful view. Look at this river. Look at the those industrial plants there. See those mountains or those hills? That's right in near the downtown area of Iwakuni. Look at this. Ah, beautiful. And this going back. This going to the they got an airport in Iwakuni. That's going back to Four Corners. So I'm heading toward this way to the downtown area. See you guys down the road. I'm back down the road, folks. This is Texas, the Pachinko. This is the first Pachinko and my last Pachinko I ever played. Me and my two other Marine buddies here. I lost a lot of money. Just kidding. I don't know, I played about 20 bucks, something like that. So this is my first and last time in Texas. I'm from Texas myself, South Texas. All right, see you guys soon. See you down the road. I'm almost there at the downtown area. That way. Folks, I'm walking to the train station. The train crossing, I want to see it. This is a single lane train crossing. This has been here since I was here too, a long time ago. I'm waiting for the train to pass. I don't know if it's right or left. I don't see a signal. There it goes. Oh, one train. A single train. Oh, one train. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, caught this in time. See you guys. See you down the road. Okay, folks. I'm walking to the train station. This is the final part of it. I want to kind of hurry up. I've walked this street many times before. Oh, it changed so much. So I'm gonna walk all the way to the train station, and that'll be the final part of it. The top thing is still the same, right here on the ceiling. It's like the Kintai Bridge. The curve. So an ambulance coming on the road. Oh, I hope that person's okay. I'm still walking toward the Iwakuni train station. Okay, still walking. Back down to a couple minutes. I walked this street so many times. I don't know how many times. And I had a bicycle too. I remember the cold days. It used to cut my hands. I didn't wear no gloves. My hands were freezing. So I'm walking to the train station. But this is all brand new. This is all some kind of square. I gotta hurry up. I want to pass this. Come on. I want to pass this. I'm walking. I want to pass this. Almost there. Oh, this place got many brand new businesses. I used to eat a place here. I used to yakisoba almost every night. I like the molasses. I got the brown stuff. Tastes so delicious. We almost there. So I'm walking through. I hope everybody's enjoying this video. Like the Marines and the sailors who are stationed in Iwakuni. This is how it looks like now. Here's the Nakadoti. Okay, come on. Yeah. Keep walking, keep walking. Almost there. Almost there, almost there. Nakadoti. Right here. Keep going. Okay, I'm almost in the train station. Okay, here's the Iwakuni station. Here, brand new building. When it was a wooden building. Now it's all modernized. Right here used to be, right in this corner used to be a runabout. You know, one of those round circles. Traffic go like the people on the streets down in Europe. Well, I've never been to Europe. No, I don't want to go to Europe. But it used to be like a runabout here. That's gone, completely gone. This place changed so much. I used to come here daily, nightly. I used to meet my buddies here. And one of my videos was like a night video I did. Again, the road used to come out this way. Right here used to be a bench. And take the Iwakuni in the bullet train. So get a little idea. And one more, man, this used to be an eyeglass shop here. No longer open. I knew a friend, one of my lady friend. She used to work here before, and his clients, I don't know what happened to her, but this is where she used to work at before. So this is Jerry in Asia. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Please see my videos. Take care. Bye.